Welcome once again, class, to another session of Necromancy High. And as you know, Necromancy is all about taking the lifelessness and reanimating it and bringing something out of nothing. Now, thanks to the year 2020, COVID, we have to do these digital at-home classes. So that's why I'm not at school like I usually am. Now, for today, last time we taught you how to divide by zero, getting infinity from nothing. Today we're going to teach you another fundamental about necromancy. Now you see, necromancy is all about getting something from nothing. So we're going to answer the fundamental question of reality. How the universe could have come into existence in the first place from nothing. Now, the secret is you have to first of all understand what nothing is. Most people have this strange idea that nothing is empty space, but that is a lie, because empty space is in fact something. It's got length, width, height. It exists in time. You can put things in it. No, you see, true nothing is really hard to comprehend because it has no length, it has no width, it has no height. It does not exist in time at all. It is literally nothing. So, in order to understand how you can get things from nothing, we have to first imagine nothing. So we're going to symbolically pretend that this construction paper is nothing. Now what you got to do is fold it. Actually, you would fold it an infinite amount of times until there's no existence whatsoever, and it's like beyond subatomic. But in any case, here's just for the sake of argument, you will pretend that this is nothing. And as you can see, there's nothing in this nothing, but just a simple little flip of the scissors. Suddenly, we made these little particles here, and these like holes where they used to be. It's like, look at that. See, now this nothing no longer exists. It's got these holes and these little bits of particles on them. But it still was the original nothing there. So you didn't actually add anything to it. You just altered the nothing. Now, since there is no time in nothing, from our perspective, the nothing literally didn't exist at all. It just suddenly spontaneously turned into all these particles. Now, if you could have one particle that way, there's no reason you can't have multiple particles that way. So let's just say we're going to take this nothing here. We'll take this group of paper and it'll be another nothing. And we'll just fold it up and we'll start cutting some holes in it. And now, because you know, you can have as much nothing as you want. You can have an infinite amount of nothing because it's nothing after all, right? So blah, 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 chop, chop, chop. Now what happens is when you have all these particles suddenly coming into existence in one spot, they're all cramped and they need more space. And when that happens, that's when space suddenly starts to expand all by itself, all across the universe, creating the actual universe, expanding what we call the Big Bang. So that is how you get the entire universe out of nothing. So as you can see, boys and girls, that's how a god like me can create an entire universe out of nothing!
And this is how we create the multiverse!
What are you, square whopper? I'm gonna discount you! You get back here! Yeah!